Good evening, children. Today we are going to see lesson number 1.2, odd one in. Odd one in. Now, what is the meaning of odd? Now, this word you have come across in maths, odd and even numbers. So, odd means something or someone in a group who is different and not common at all. Now, in this lesson, we are going to see your experience in the school life every day or in the school. You have different experiences among your friends. So, we are going to see such experience in this lesson, odd one in. Now, this story is about Rima, a school going girl. Pay attention in the book, page number 3. Pencil in your hand. I'll start reading. How was the first day of school? Asked Rima. Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Now, after coming from the school, you people also, when you go at home, your parents, they ask you, how was your first day, what you have done in the school, and you answer your parents. In the same way, Rima's mother, she asked, how was the first day of the school? Okay, Rima shrugged. So she said in a just usual way, okay. And shrug means to answer in an ignorant way, not having any interest in giving answer. So she just say okay, no lessons, just settling in. So she told her mother, today teacher has not taught us any lesson as it was the first day of the school and we were settling ourselves. That is, it is a phrase, settling in means you are becoming comfortable in the school on the first day. Any new girl in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. So, as it was the first day of the school, her father, even he was having dinner with them, he asked, any new girl in your class? Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Now, as they were having the dinner, they are having the salad also in the dinner. You know what is the meaning of salad? Having the which vegetables? Tomato, then carrot. Okay, so these are the salads. Cucumber you can have in the salad. So she said only one girl came in our class and she is funny. Now the meaning of grimaced here, it is make an ugly expressions, not showing good expressions, as she was talking about the new girl and her name was Malti. Why do you say that? Asked Mrs. Sen. She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Rima, naming one at the other end of the country. So father said, why are you speaking like this about that new girl who is admitted in your school? So Rima said, she can't speak much English. She cannot speak more English and she has come from another state, and that another state is at the other end of the country. Now we live in which state? We live in the Maharashtra, and she must be from another state, away from Maharashtra. Sniffed means spoke without interest or respect. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen. So after listening the answer from his child, Rima, he said that the children from those states are very clever and they are especially good in maths. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. So Rima, she was just answering, I don't think she is very smart. She doesn't look like that. And she has oily hair, bindi and all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. So she was showing how she behaves in the class. She used to say good morning, not saying good morning. Teacher, not teacher. So she was doing mimicry. Mimicked means to imitate someone, to show the action of someone. Her parents exchanged glances. Glances means to look at each other, as their daughter was doing the mimicry of the new girl Malti. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could not be insufferable at the times. So, when they saw the answer, when they listened the answer what their daughter gave about the new girl in the class, they were worried about their child, as she was the only one child, and they doted on her. Doted on her, it is a phrase, feel and show great love for someone. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. So Mr. Sen was a little bit worried about his daughter, and he said that I don't think that you will put your new friend in difficulty. You all the friends in the class will behave properly with her. Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. So Rima and her gang means her friends. When you have your friends group, most of you call it as a gang. So in the same way, Rima, she had her own gang, and they have decided that they will not do anything to her. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused good morning. Now next day, when the school started, next day of the school, as usual the students they went to the school, and when Malti entered in the class, Rima and her gang, they all together they say, chorus means to say something in a group. Good morning. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, good morning. So she smiled happily and looked at them, and she also replied, good morning. Second page, page number 3. Over now, page number 4. Shahnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. So another girl in the class, Shahnaz, giggled. Giggle means to laugh. Slowly making the face. Why do you put so much oil in your hair? She was asking whom? Newcomer girl, that is Malti. Malti looked offended but did not reply. So she was feeling what these girls are asking me. Why she is putting so much oil on her hair? She felt insulted and she felt bad about that. But did not reply. And the skirt so long, said Claire. Claire is another girl in the class. Catily. Catily means something in a mean way, means not talking in a good way, purposely asking. So Malti flushed. Flushed means she became a little bit annoyed, sad, and she became red and hot, very angry also. As she was about to say something when teacher entered. Now she was going to tell this Claire, Shana something, but at the same time the teacher entered in the class. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. Now children, here in the class, now the day by day, as the school begins, the teachers start with their syllabus and they start teaching in the class. So when the teacher was teaching in the class, the teachers usually they ask the questions, right? Even we ask you the questions, but selected students they answer in the class. In the same way, when the teacher was teaching in the class, the Malti, she used to raise her hand to answer the questions which were asked by the teacher. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correctly and the teacher nodded in appreciation. Now here, nodded in appreciation means to appreciate someone to say good to someone. When you do something good things, your parents, they also appreciate you, your teachers, they appreciate you. So appreciation is very important in your life. So whenever you get a chance to do something good, or if you are able to answer in the class, you should answer. Doesn't mind you go wrong, but you should make a habit to answer the teacher in the class. So the teacher was happy and she appreciated whom? Malti. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, "Sounds like a clever girl." Now Rima, after going at home, as usual, she told her mother everything what has happened in the class, and she told her, recounted means told her mother that today Malti answered in the class and the teacher appreciated her. So mother said, "Sounds she is a very clever girl." "What is the use?" said Rima uncharitably. Means she said, "What is the use? She is having the oily hair, she is wearing so long dress." So uncharitably means unkindly. Her English is so atrocious. Atrocious means of very poor quality, not good quality, very bad. What is the use? She is telling the answers in the class. So this was the answer given by Rima to her mother. "The same may be said of your Hindi," countered Mr. Sen sharply. Now here the Hindi of Rima was not as good as other students. So she was also weak in Hindi language, and this point was raised by her father, Mr. Sen, that it is the same condition of you. You are pointing out to Malti regarding her English speaking. It is the same case with you for Hindi subject. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Now here Rima's attitude was not good. She was just blaming her new friend in the class. She was not ready to see what Malti is doing in the class, and she was just pointing out the things which she did not like, and she was not appreciating or saying good to her new friend. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. That night Rima's parents discussed the matter. So as Rima was the only child to her parents, they found the attitude of their daughter not good. She was going something another side, and she was just blaming her new friend. So they were worried about Rima. "We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into a quiet little snob," said Mr. Sen sadly. Snob means someone who criticizes people coming from lower social class or less education. Now here, this is a very important point, children. See, your parents, they put you in the school for good education. They want you to become smart and confident, and you children are just discussing about useless things, about your friends, about something away from the education, and you're diverting yourself to another field. So always remember, children, your parents, they want you to become a very smart child, confident child. They want you to become the good citizens, and we should not behave how Rima was doing with her friend. And Mr. Sen was very sadly here now. They were worried about Rima's attitude. The following Saturday, means the coming Saturday, was the inter-house singing competition. Now there, even we have the competitions in our school. We have inter-class, or among your class you have the competitions, and even they were having the inter-house competitions. What is the meaning of inter-house? We have 4 houses in our school, right? Red, blue, green and yellow. So in the same way, they were having the inter-house singing competition was there. And as usual, Rima, who was participating in English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. Now Rima was good in English, and Malti, she has given her name in Hindi list